Norway's state-owned lottery company, 000x Tipping, has sparked controversy after a major blunder, where it incorrectly notified lottery winners of prizes up to 10,000 times higher than their actual winnings. What happened? On the 27th, during the currency conversion process, from euros to Norwegian krona for Eurojackpot winnings, a critical error occurred. Instead of dividing by 100, the system multiplied by 100, leading to vastly inflated winning notifications for some lucky and then unlucky players. Although the incorrect amounts briefly appeared on the website, they were quickly removed, and no erroneous payouts were made. What's the fallout? 000x Tipping faced a wave of criticism, ultimately leading to the CEO's resignation. Those who received the false notifications were understandably thrilled at first, only to be left with a deep sense of disappointment. The company has admitted that this wasn't its first mistake, acknowledging several technical issues over the past year. An internal investigation is currently underway.